Okay, guys, so now what I want you to do is swipe from the control center, which is the top right-hand corner where the battery symbol is. So you're going to swipe diagonal down to the left, and you're going to see a record button that shows up. And what I want you to do is I want you to tap and hold that button. When you do that, you're going to get an option to turn your microphone on or off. Usually the microphone is turned off by default, so I want you to turn the microphone on, and then you can click start recording. Okay, so now you have your screen recorder turned on and you are ready to record your reading or whatever task your teacher has given you. So in this particular assignment, I'm going to show you how to do the most common word fluency check if you're on an iPad. So what you're going to do is we're going to click that assignment, and you'll see on here I've got my most common words that I'm going to read out loud. If your teacher doesn't have it right here, they might have an attachment, and you can click view attachment. And then that will take you to the most common words. If you need to make the screen bigger, you can put 2 fingers on and expand, push out to make the picture bigger. And then you can start reading the, of, and when you're done reading, you go up and you touch the red blinking record button up in the top right corner, right by the battery symbol and your Wi-Fi symbol. So once you tap that, it's going to stop recording and save it to your photos. So now I have my recording, it's saved in my photos, and I want to turn it into my teacher so he or she can hear me reading. I'm going to touch this tab that says submissions, and I'm going to hit the plus sign up in the top right corner. Well, I just made a video, so I'm going to hit submit photo/video. And then it's going to say, is it okay to access your photos? And you say, okay. I'm going to go into my recents, and the screen cast that I just made with my work is going to be the most recent one where I was talking. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to hit this green checkbox, and I have to hit it 2 times because I've got one thing selected. You can see that on the bottom. I hit that green checkbox again, and then it uploads the media to my teacher so they can hear the video recording that I just made. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching.